Earning an extra $200 a month online doesn't have to be complicated. There are simple ways to reach this financial milestone with minimal effort. One of the easiest ways to earn $200 a month is through paid online surveys. Sites like Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars pay for simple questions. Cashback apps like Rakuten or Honey let you earn extra money with minimal effort by providing cashback on your purchases. Becoming a virtual assistant lets you make money without creating content. You can help businesses with tasks like scheduling and support. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn money passively, promote products via social media or blogs, and earn commissions on sales. You can earn money by testing websites and apps for feedback. Sites like User Testing pay you for testing their usability. Selling items you no longer need can easily help you make $200 per month. Use platforms like eBay and Facebook Marketplace. Participating in product testing lets you share your opinion online for cash or gift cards. Sign up on sites like Vindale Research. By choosing strategies that suit your lifestyle, you can easily earn an extra $200 a month and achieve your financial goals.